How you going? And look what's in front of us. This is the right-hand side of a 4-lane Hot Wheels 180-degree bank curve. I finally designed it. I finally printed out the right-hand side. And how good does she look in black? Man, I'm rapt. This piece, when it's completed, will take over 60 hours to print, okay? And it's going to weigh about 1 kilo, so she's quite heavy for a printed piece, and it's going to take quite a large box to be shipped in. And also there will be a price rise because of how long it takes to do and all this and all that, so you have to appreciate that. If you're interested in a 4-laner for your setup, this will be available more than likely the end of this week. I think today is the 17th of January 2022. I just need to print the other side. I then need to go back and do some more edits on it just to make sure it's 100% locked in, and then I'll start printing them out as orders come through, if you're keen, that is. Each side is in 4 pieces, okay? So if you've already purchased a 2-laner off me, you'll understand that it does bolt together, okay? So it's a 4-lane Hot Wheels 180-degree curve. This is just the right-hand side for now. I'm hoping tomorrow morning, maybe the next day, I'll have this thing finished as a prototype and I can show you a little bit more in depth. All right, until then, good racing. How good is this, man? How good is this? My new track, I've now decided, is going to be 4-lane Hot Wheels all the way around, featuring as many 3D printed parts as I have in my arsenal here. So my new track will probably feature 2 of these, because as I say, that's 120 hours just to print 2 of these. Man, it takes a long time. Okay, until then, catch you later.